Hi everyone, glad you could be here. Hope you're doing great. Here are some ways to get started with Microsoft Word. To begin, you open the program. Feel free to click anywhere on the blank page to get started. You begin with the blinking line, called a cursor, on top of the page. This will always show where you'll start typing. The first button in this menu lets you start on the far left. The second button lets you start in the center, and the third on the far right of the page. Usually, most papers need you to start from the left, as it is easier for most to read. You can zoom into the page using the slider below, with left zooming out and more right zooming in. Moving on to saving. You'll start with the blank page every time you open up Microsoft Word. Lots of space to write on. Click File in the left corner to begin. Voila! You're on the File page. Here you can always open a new page in case you want to start over. These pictures or icons show folders, places in your device that can keep safe your current page. For this example, I'll choose the folder titled Documents. Tab buttons are on top of the page. You can choose one, as each has its own use. When you click a tab, you will see lots of options pop up. The bar that comes out below is called the ribbon. We'll focus on text size here. Text size is how big or small your text shows up on the page. The higher the number, the bigger the text. Next, font style shows how your text looks like. Choosing styles like Times New Roman or Arial keeps words easy to read. Whether it's a message, your thoughts, a letter, or a story, type at a steady pace, making sure to keep it simple at first. You may try typing in small sentences with periods to stop and move on to a different sentence. A sentence usually has a subject, which is what you are writing about, and a predicate, which is what you have to say about the subject. Here we see some examples with a thank you letter. If writing a letter, you can start with something like dear, or maybe to whom it may concern. Here, the sentences are short, such as I loved your card and letter, or the cookies were delicious. These make your message easy to read and shows what you want to talk about, step by step. If unsure of how you're writing, no worries. You can write as you feel is right, slowly, and then read out loud to be sure it is clear and easy to follow. A good thing to remember is to keep the first letter of every sentence capital or uppercase, and a period at the end of each sentence. This helps readers stop and then continue at a nice pace. Take your time to write what you need. Keep it easy, and try reading your writing as you keep going. Practicing with Microsoft Word can help you be sure of yourself. Getting better at sharing who you are and what you like others to know is a wonderful skill. We hope this video has been helpful for you to begin practicing with Microsoft Word. Thank you.